Hello everyone, you are back watching the Ishorts channel. An amphibious vehicle is a vehicle that is a viable means of transportation on land as well as above or underwater. The amphibious combat vehicle is also an adaptable amphibious platform designed from the ground up to meet the mission objectives of deploying Marines from ship to coast. Today, we will show you the 5 best amphibious vehicles military in the world. Before we start it, don't forget to click subscribe button below for more interesting content. Number 1. M3 Amphibious Rig. The M3 Amphibious Rig was developed in Germany by Eisenwerk Kaiserslautern. In 2002, this company was taken over by General Dynamics. It is an amphibious bridging and ferrying system used to carry tanks and other military vehicles across water obstacles. This amphibious rig has light-welded aluminum alloy hull. Vehicle is self-propelled on land. On roads, the M3 travels on 4 wheels. On water, the wheels are retracted and amphibian deploys 2 large aluminum pontoons and transforms into the raft-type ferry. Pontoons can be deployed on the move. On water, this engineering vehicle is propelled by 2 water jets. Multiple M3 rigs can connect to form larger raft or floating bridge. 2 or more rigs are coupled within 3 minutes to create a ferry capable of carrying even the heaviest main battle tanks, such as the German Leopard 2A6 and British Challenger 2. 3 coupled rigs can carry 2 MBTs. Within 15 minutes, a total of 8 amphibious rigs can be coupled together and form a 100 meters long bridge. It has a payload capacity of 85 T for tracked vehicles and 132 T for wheeled vehicles. Number 2. Btr-80. The Btr-80 Armored Personnel Carrier is a successor to the Btr-70 APC. Its development began in the 1980s. Vehicle entered service with the Soviet Army in 1986. Vehicle has a welded hull. Front arc provides protection against 12.7 mm rounds, while all-round protection is against 7.62 mm rounds and artillery shell splinters. The Btr-80 is fitted with NBC protection system, which shuts the engine down and creates overpressure in the troop compartment in the event of NBC attack. Vehicle is also fitted with automatic fire suppression system. The Btr-80 is also equipped with smoke grenade dischargers. The Btr-80 has the same armament as the Btr-70. Vehicle is armed with a turret-mounted 14.5 mm heavy machine gun and coaxial 7.62 mm machine gun. This turret has been modified for better elevation angles in order to engage low-flying air targets. This armored vehicle is fully amphibious. On water, it is propelled by 2 water jets at a maximum speed on 10 km per hour. Number 3. IVECO SuperAV. The IVECO SuperAV is an amphibious armored personnel carrier. It was developed as a private venture. The SuperAV was first publicly revealed in 2009. It is likely that this app was developed from Italian VBM Frexia 8x8 infantry fighting, which is used by the Italian Army. The SuperAV is lighter than the Frexia and also has amphibious capability. This armored vehicle is powered by IVECO Cursor 13 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 5 to 560 horsepower. It is a multi-fuel engine, which can run on various grades of fuel. Engine is coupled to a ZF automatic transmission with 7 forward and 1 reverse speeds. Vehicle has a hydropneumatic suspension and 8x8 configuration. Steering is on first and second axles. Steering on fourth axle is proposed as an option. This app is fitted with a central tire inflation system and run flat tires. The IVECO SuperAV is fully amphibious. It can operate at sea state 2 and beyond. On water, it is propelled by 2 water jets. This app is being proposed in two body widths 2.7 meters and 3 meters. The last one has greater amphibious payload. Vehicle can be airlifted by an Airbus A400M or similar military transport aircraft. Number 4. VAB Mk3. The VAB Mk3 armored personnel carrier was developed by Renault Truck Defense. The first prototype has a 6x6 configuration. It seems that this armored vehicle is aimed mainly at export customers. As far as it is known, this app received no production orders yet. The VAB Mk3 is being proposed both in 4x4 and 6x6 configurations. Vehicle has a payload capacity of 7.5 T, so it has growth potential for future upgrades. A prototype of the VAB Mk3 was fitted with a TR-T25 remotely controlled module developed by B Systems. It is armed with 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun. This gun is dual-fed. There is also a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. Other weapon options are available, including missiles. This app can accept remotely controlled or man-operated turrets with cannons up to 30mm. Number 5. Gibbs Amphibians Humdinga. The Gibbs Humdinga is a high-speed amphibious vehicle concept designed by Gibbs Technologies. It was publicly announced in February 2012 and was created specifically to access remote and hostile terrain. It uses the same high-speed amphibian technology as the Gibbs Aquata. Gibbs Amphibians Humdinga capable of highway speeds on land and speeds in excess of 30 miles per hour on water. The 4WD Humdinga transitions between land and water in seconds. At 7 meters long, it is available in 3-seater and 6-seater configurations, making it ideal for personal or commercial use and effective in first responder situations where response times can be vital. The Humdinga has robust on-water and off-road capabilities that allows its task, be it recreational, utility, rescue or otherwise, to be completed rapidly and efficiently. Humdinga has been developed and produced in limited quantities by Gibbs Technologies UK. A small number of vehicles have been made available for sale to collectors. Well, those are the 5 best military amphibious vehicles in the world. Which one do you think is the best and which is urgently needed by the military? Please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.